94.9 KLTY.
All over North Texas, students love to give their teachers something for Christmas. Little gifts to show them just how much they're loved. Well, 94.9 KLTY's Christmas Wish wanted to do the very same thing, but on a much bigger scale. So with the help of Tom and Tina Kidd, owners of Structured Foundation Repairs, we completely renovated the teacher lounge at Paschal High School to become a place of refuge and peace.
Tina Kidd. This Christmas Wish is extra special to me because I'm like you. I was a classroom teacher for 16 years. Structured Foundation Repairs is honored to do this for you. We hope you love it, and we're excited to show it to you.
Come look at your new teacher's lounge. Come on.
I've seen it where it started from, and this is beyond anyone's imagination.
It is amazing. I think we will actually take breaks now. We appreciate everything that you guys have put into this. Beautiful. Thank you, KLTY.
I've been here 20 years. We've never had anything like this. This is much needed.
That is amazing, and it feels like a home away from home.
We've never had anything like this. I cried when we walked in. Thank you so much. It's amazing.
The reason I nominated Paschal for Christmas Wish is because of the teachers. They've been through a lot the past year and a half. I just wanted to do something to say thank you to them for just all that they've done, and that it would serve as a reminder that they're loved and they're appreciated, and we are so thankful that they're here serving our students and our families.
Together, we can do amazing things.